Here comes the turkey, opening legs wide for the Christmas. All right, so this is what we have to marinate the meat. We have parsley, basil, coriander, pak choy. Yeah, this is another basil. Tarragon. We have the roots, the parsnips, the carrot, more carrots. So we're going to do a lamb chop and turkey. So what method am I going to use now to do this? I am going to blend everything and put some all this oil. I'm going to mix all of them. Yeah, you shouldn't mix it if you don't want to. I had wanted to do my own bread mix, but I'm going to use these stuffings, the garlic and herb stuffing mix, the apple and herb stuffing mix, and fix everything together. Put all my ingredients together and make up something that I'm going to use to fill up this hole, and then pipe it around it and get this is my garlic and my ginger and a little bit of cubes, the chicken cube. I'm going to use the all-purpose sauce, some ground pepper, some hot curry, some thyme, some rosemary, and what else? So my question is going to be now, what do you use in your own marinating? How long do you marinate? What's the best time to marinate? Now it's Christmas time, even if you're watching this after Christmas. How do you marinate? What do you use in your own marinade? And how many days before Christmas do you marinate? So tell me, I want to hear from you. Okay, drop the comment down below. All right, I want to know how you do what you do. So I'll come back to you after a while when I'll show you how I mix everything together. And so stay tuned. Celery, garlic and ginger, onions, carrot, parsnips. Ready for the mix and turning. Not forgetting the mixture of coriander, basil, curry, and the rest of them. Now you can wonder I didn't remove the stalks. The reason is because I'm going to blend all this in, so I need every vitamin, mineral in those stalks. So we go blend it on. I will show you how I blend.